In this video, I am going to show you how to make your Samsung flashlight blind when someone calls. You can follow this method, easily activate them. Let's get started. First of all, grab your phone, go to settings. In the settings page, scroll all the way to the very bottom, located the accessibility option, click on them. After the page is open, find the hearing enhancement option, tap to open it. In the page, you can find the flash notification button, tap to open them. After that, locate the camera flash notification, screen flash notification. Make sure to camera flash notification is turned on. If you turn off your phone, simply turn back on. After that, tap on the camera flash notification option. When the page is open, scroll down slowly or use the search bar at the very top. Here simply type phone. Once you found the default your phone app, tap on it and make sure to this phone app is enabled. If it turn off, this process not work for you. Turn it on. After it on, someone you call them, you can see the result just like it. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide will help you, like this video, share it with your friend. Take care.